Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor has arrived. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda and Commander-in-Chief, together with
we accomplished the mission with minimum collateral damage. Again, in terms of the making history, this election was the most peaceful, was the most transparent. We had very few reported incidents of violence.
For the successful completion of the campaigns through which you convinced Ugandans that there is nobody better than you to lead this country in the next 5 years. Your Excellency, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for this gesture to the security forces. Sir, you may not know how much you have touched the hearts of these officers and men you see here. The simple fact that you said, let me come and say thank you. It's a very big moral booster.
The UN is now like a business. That group called United Nations. Have you heard of it? There's a group called United Nations. Amawanga Magate. The work of the Amawanga Magate is to misdefend the Bakateyambas. You get the country of Bakateyamba, like the ones of Nkorongo. They say we can't defend ourselves. So, United Nations come and defend us. United Nations comes, they do the defending, they just stay at the swimming pools, swimming, and enjoying themselves. And the Africans die like flies.